Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fish roll, or as we popularly call it here, pepper roll. This version is a cheap and easy way to make delicious fish roll that you can enjoy at home, sell at your workplace, or even around your school. It's perfect for anyone who wants something affordable, tasty, and profitable. The ingredients are simple, the process is easy, and the result absolutely worth it. So if you've been looking for a commercial style fish roll recipe that still gives that rich peppery goodness without spending much, then you are in the right place. Let's get started. So this is our dough after 30 minutes of resting. Please, it is important that you allow your dough to rest before you start frying. And the reason why you need to allow your dough to rest is just so that the gluten can be formed and to give you a good texture. Please don't allow the dough to rest too much. Or give it at maximum 30 minutes. So please pay attention to this procedure because this is an important stage of folding your fish roll. So what I did was to just weigh my dough. I think I weighed at 70 grams. So when I weighed the dough, I placed flour on the table, and then I got a piece of my fillings, and then I placed it at the edge of the dough. Then what you are seeing now is just water. The water is placed at the edges to help seal up the dough. So you just roll and roll and roll and roll, just as in this video. So did you see? So once you are done, you can just slightly stretch it. Okay, just apply very little faint pressure on it. Just stretch it a little. If you want your if you want your fish roll to be long, you can actually do that. So once you are done, you just get another space that has flour on the table, and then you just place your dough there. It should interest you to know that there are actually several ways at which you can fold your fish roll. What I just showed you was a way that you can get a uniform size of fish roll, and that is by weighing your dough. Aside that, you can just get all your dough, place it on a table that has enough flour, and then get your rolling pin and then flatten it. Then you'll see a video that will be coming up after this. Then you're shaping your dough in square form, and that is, you get your cutter to just cut it in a square form, and then you just place your fillings at the edges, and then you roll it. I actually used the second method in the next scene you'll be seeing in this video. I'm very sorry that I could not demonstrate it on the video, but don't worry, in subsequent video I will do just that. Please, when you're flattening, don't make it too thin, make it thick before you start cutting. So far, if you've been enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. It encourages me to make more videos like this, and you will not have to miss out on any useful one whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. Guys, don't you like what you're seeing? Crispy, sweet, delicious, even cheap. Please don't dull. Don't dull. You can give this a try. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.